Hi, I'm Dianne Peterson from the Blackout Button Club, and today Jan Hankins and I are going to show you how to make a button craft. We will be showing you how to make a Christmas tree as you see on this tree. There are angels and snowmen and Santa Clauses, but what we're going to show you today is a Christmas tree. These kits will be available at the Cedar Falls Historical Society if you would like to purchase them. Otherwise, if you want to just try it yourself, we will have the directions online. These are the button tree directions, so you can get started to make your Christmas tree. The first one is to lay your buttons out as you see in the photo on the directions, or as you see here. Fold your thread in half. Now today Jan is using wire, floral wire, but a lot of the ones on the tree are made with artificial sinew that you can purchase at, I purchased it at Hobby Lobby. What I like about that is that both the wire and the artificial sinew do not need needles. Okay, now she's ready. She's working from the bottom of the tree. Thread the small 5 trunk buttons. So there she's put her, threaded them on the wire. Thread through 2 opposite holes each time. Using the largest button, of course, first, and moving from large to small. And, you know, you can see that she's using different colors, so it makes the tree interesting. She has blues and greens in this particular tree, but you'll notice the trees on this big Christmas tree are done with all different colors of buttons. Pull the button all the way down each time. These similar methods can be used to make an angel, but you do need a bead for the head. Okay. She's going to switch to one that she's got ready, almost ready here to put the last few pieces before she puts the star at the top. The stars can be found in the beads section, children's beads section at Hobby Lobby. Perhaps other places too, but that's where I found them. Some people have used snowflakes and at the top also. The buttons that she's putting on now are quite tiny. And here comes the last button. Oh, I forgot to mention that the artificial sinew or wire needs to be about 12 inches long. Okay, she's ready to pull both threads or wire through the bead, which is a star, or they also say you could use a pinwheel. Then if you had the sinew, you would tie a knot at this point, right above the star to hold the star on, but with the wire you just twist it at the top. You can also put a key ring, or when you have used the sinew, I'm going to show that, you can tie a second knot to make the loop. And there you have, oh, and you could also make it a hook out of the wires, which works very well too. Here's some other examples. Snowman, or a Santa Claus, a snowman too. Have fun, enjoy, be creative.